Learn to make a recapitulation worksheet for data entry process. Data entry can be as much as possible. Filter. Recapitulation worksheet. Cell contents and formulas. 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 Sum. And do the same to calculate the other total cells. Okay, thanks for watching. Learn to make a recapitulation Part 2. Add items to the section that functions as data entry items, which is filled into the cell above the row of black cells. Add a row by inserting a new row. A new row of cells has been inserted. Fill the cell row with new items as items to be processed. Continue the data entry process in the row of cells that function as data entry cells in rows like the following. On the recapitulation worksheet, enter a new row as follows. New line inserted. Copy the contents of the following cells. This will copy the formula. Paste in a new row in one cell only. Copy-paste successful and new item list entered recapitulation worksheet. Don't forget to recalculate the latest cell column as follows. New cells are entered in the column to be summed. After clicking enter, we'll get a new sum. Copy the following sum cell. Paste on other sum cells. Copy-paste finished with new sum results. Okay, part 2 is done. Thanks for watching. Learn to make recapitulation part 3. About the filter function. To find out data, for example by date, item or other information. Find out or view the contents of data entries by date, using filters. Click filter and uncheck as follows. Check the dates you want to filter to view, then click OK. The worksheet display is as follows. To display all again, click Filter, check the Select All box and click OK. To filter the items that want to view, uncheck the Select All box and check the items that want to view, then click OK. Here's how it looks based on the items that want to view. To display all again, click Filter, check the Select All box and click OK. Thanks for watching.